In this video, I will show you how to join Forsaken Discord server. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. To join the official Roblox Forsaken Discord server, all you want to do is open up the Roblox player on your PC first of all, and once you've done that, you just want to find the Forsaken experience. So you can use the search box at the top, type Forsaken, and then search for Forsaken. Now once you've got Forsaken, give it a click to be taken to the experience page, and from here all you need to do is scroll down on the experience page, and towards the bottom you're going to see an option for servers. Now underneath here you're going to see the Discord icon. So at this point all you need to do is click onto the Discord icon. It's going to give you a message like this, saying by clicking continue you will be redirected to a website. So basically you're just leaving the Roblox player and it's going to open up the invite link in a internet browser. So at this point click onto continue, and what's going to happen is it's going to open up the invite link. At this point of course all you need to do is click onto the blue accept button, and what it's going to do is take you to the Forsaken server, to the rules section. So you just need to read through the game rules and then you can start to use the Forsaken server. So that's how to join Forsaken Discord server. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.